Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Today I want to show you how to build some basic, inexpensive trellises for your garden. Growing vertically is a great way to save money, grow more crops, and this is really, if you have to buy something, this is probably the most inexpensive way to do it. You're going to need chicken wire. The first one here is 3 feet wide. If you're going to use that, you're going to use 1 post, 2 posts, 3 posts down the middle. I'll show you how to do that. Next size, which works really well, are 2 feet long, and you're just going to put 1 post in each side. That's a 50-foot roll, 50-foot roll, 50-foot roll. Pick out whichever size that you want. We're going to use 6-foot bamboo poles. You can use tree branches if you want to save some money. So the first one's going to be 6 feet tall, about. The next one's going to be 4 feet tall, about. The 6-foot one is perfect for beans, cucumber plants. The smaller one's great for peas, other smaller plants. These can actually hold a lot of weight. I'll go over how you can strengthen them up a little bit. But they're not going to support something like a vining squash or zucchini plant or something really heavy. It may handle some smaller cantaloupes, smaller melons, but if it gets too heavy, the plant's going to collapse this. All right, so it's going to look something like this when we're done. Just wanted to show you what we're building. So this is a trellis out of the chicken wire. It's about 6 feet tall, and then this one is 4 feet tall. This is the basic build, so use this principle for using the chicken wire. You can build whatever size you want. So 6-foot bamboo posts, sticks. So this is going to be 6 feet tall. You just line the posts, one on the outer edge of the chicken wire, the other one on the other edge, and then put the thicker side of your tree branch or your stick at the bottom, because that's going to go into the ground. And then they just come up, they meet at the point. Again, these will be about 6 feet tall. A couple inches will go into the ground. Here's the chicken wire. And you're going to end the chicken wire right about here, so you get a good 3 inches, maybe 4 inches to stick into the ground to support your trellis. When you're rolling this out, notice how it's being uncoiled with it coming across the top. That's because the natural bend is going to want to point to the ground, and if you unroll it that way, it's going to stay nice and straight for you. If this is flipped over, it's going to want to recurl back up, and it's a pain. All right, so this is about 12 feet worth of the chicken wire. So you can cut this, like a strong pair of scissors will work, or you'll need some kind of snips, but you're just going to cut it off here. Same thing on the other end, leaving enough space here for this to go into the ground. So you're just weaving the stick, so to speak, right up the side of the chicken wire. So you say go under here, over a couple of them, back under here, and then I would just keep working my way down until I have the whole 6-foot piece of bamboo weaved through the chicken wire, and I'm going to leave again a couple of inches. Let me show you what that looks like. But the weave is simple. You can do every other, you could do every one, whatever you want to do. You just want to make sure that the chicken wire stays nice and tight to the stick or bamboo post that you're using. So this is what it looks like when it's done. I'll pick it up so you can see it better. But all 4 posts are just weaved through, leaving that space right here. And you kind of can see the idea. Now my ground is frozen. It was 17 degrees again, so I can't stick these in. But you kind of just pull it up just like that. You put in the 4 corners and you have your post set up. I'll try and fix that up a little bit, but you get the idea. And then at the end of the season, or when you don't need it, they're really nice because they just collapse on each other just like that. And that's perfect for storing. They don't take up a lot of space. So I'll make a 4-foot one too. I'm not going to make one with the 3-foot piece. I just don't need it. But if you did, it would be post, another post, and another post, just for some extra strength. When you're done, you're going to have something that looks like this. This is made with chicken wire, 50-foot roll, 2 feet wide. Get whatever size you want. The circles of the chicken wire are going to vary. I think somewhere between sometimes a 1/2 inch to 2 inches. This might be 1 inch. It really doesn't matter. Just pick whatever is on sale or the cheapest. The plants are going to do the same on any type of chicken wire. So 6 feet tall. Again, make sure you put the thin parts of the posts up top. You want the thicker piece going into the ground, and it's going to look just like that. So I could grow some peas or beans up this while I'm growing something else right under there. So it does free up space. You can grow vertically. If you want to have something that's a little bit stronger, you can see I have 1 post, 2 posts right there. you can add a third one in right down the middle, and that's going to strengthen your trellis. You don't even have to go all the way to the top. You could go, halfway. But you get the basic idea. This is the one that is 4 feet tall. Same idea. If you really wanted to grow something heavier, you would have to put in more posts. But in theory, you could put in 1, 2, maybe 2 more posts on each side, and you can grow something heavier right up this way, back down this side, and then back up again. So you could manage heavier crops. I would just make sure you build it strong enough. But this is perfect for peas. You could just line peas all on the inside, some right down the middle. The ones in the middle will hold on to the other pea plants. The ones closer to the wire will hold on to the wire. And this could be a whole section of, 4-foot peas. And again, these are real easy to kind of collapse and store. They're not expensive to make, and they're very, very functional. Hope this gives you some ideas. You get the principles on building trellises using the chicken wire and using tree branches or bamboo stakes. Thanks for watching, and please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com. Thanks for watching.